Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we would like to welcome you to the Home Safety Toolkit series. Now, who can benefit from this series? Anyone that has a loved one that's coming home from the hospital or a healthcare facility, anyone that has an upcoming surgery, or anyone who has a loved one who has shown a decline in function. So what does this do for us? It helps us improve safety and function in our home as well as reduce fall risk. So what we're going to do with this series is we are going to walk you through the different rooms in your home so that you can check off areas of concern. And then we will give you suggestions on how to correct those areas of concern. So let's take a look at how we're going to use the Home Safety Toolkit. Throughout this series, you will be viewing videos that will include tabs beneath the videos. The first tab will be labeled Comment Section and will include information from the video as well as links to equipment that may be helpful. The second tab will be Additional Resources. In this area, we will link you to any video that we might think might be helpful. And in the third tab will be Downloadable Resources that will include PDFs that you can download and print off. In getting started with the Home Safety Toolkit, we would like for you to download and print off the Home Safety Checklist, which is included in the downloadable resources below this video. You will take this list and walk through the rooms of your home, checking off areas of concern. Now, as you will notice, we will reference additional videos in this series for you to return to and view. And in the comment sections of those videos, we will also include links to various equipment that might be helpful. If there's additional equipment out there that may be helpful, we will also reference that on the equipment index page. That is also included in the downloadable resources below this video. And do take note that that page is interactive on your computer, so you can look at it, press on the links to the equipment. Those links currently will take you to a link on Amazon. We just want you to have a place to get started to know what type of equipment may be helpful. Now, anyone that may have a loved one coming home quickly, go down under the downloadable resources under this video and print out the Quick Start Guide. Go through those areas of concern initially, take care of those, get your loved one home, and then go back through the Home Safety Checklist. So that is the Home Safety Toolkit. Adaptive Equipment Corner wishes you a safe and successful transition home. So now let's get started on your home assessment below.